So I got two concrete blades that should fit in the skill saw. I'll have to put some sort of water injection into there. And we're going to try and put both blades in, make a nice 1/4 inch cut with one pass. Just 1/4 inch deep or a tiny bit more, and then grout some heat trace in the concrete. Let's see how she does. I found this concrete cutting needs a lot of water, more than I can spray with my little 1 liter water bottle. So from my salvage yard, I got this chainsaw concrete cutter that I was originally going to use. It's got 2 water injectors, I see both sides. I'm going to add those to my skill saw and hook it right up to the hose. It's going to make a mess, but it's going to be a mess whether it's dust or water or